Welcome back to our discussion. And again, the same pa rin yung objective natin. Find the general formula or rule for the nth term of a sequence. So, we will have the linear equation. And what is the formula? AN plus B is equal to A sub N. Ito yung pare-pareho yung kanilang difference when you subtract it from right going to left. So, may pattern na tayo. Ito yung ating pattern, yung ating equation 1 and equation 2. So, your first term, that is 4. Your second term, and that is 7. So, we have 1, 1, and 4. So, equation 2, we have 2, 1, and 7. So, let us now use the calculator technique. Press mo yung mode, then hanapin mo dito yung solve system equation 2 unknown. So, may table uli dyan na ABC. So, enter mo lang. Dalawang 1. 1 equal, then 4. Then, sa equation 2, 2 equal, 1 equal, then 7 equal. So, equal uli, may lalabas dyan na x is equal to 3. Then, equal uli, meron dyang y is equal to 1. So, ano yung ating linear equation? You have here an plus b is equal to a sub n. So, yung a mo, that will be your x. Yung y mo, yung b. So, palitan mo lang. You have here 3, then kopyahin yung n. Yung y mo, that's b, plus 1 is equal to a sub n. So, ito na ang iyong general formula. Understood? Okay, let's proceed to number 2 example. So, kunin natin yung ating first term, negative 1. Second term, negative 3. So, ganun pa rin yan. Numerical 1, 1, then negative 1. 2, 1, and negative 3. So, punta tayo ulit sa ating table. So, i-delete natin yung dati. Okay, enter. 1, 1. 1 equal, negative 1 equal. Tama ba ang ating enter? Okay, next. 2 equal, 1 equal, and negative 3 equal. So, equal ka ulit para makuha natin yung x and y. So, yung x mo is negative 2. Then, equal ka ulit. Yung y mo is positive 1. What is the formula? an plus b is equal to a sub n. So, palitan mo lang. So, negative, kopyahin yung negative 2. Kopyahin mo yung n. Then, 1 yung b mo, kaya plus 1 is equal to a sub n. So, ito na ang ating general formula ng sequence na yan. Okay? And last, number 3 example. First term mo, that is negative 3. Second term mo, that is negative 10. So, i-delete natin yung mga in-enter natin kanina. So, again, sa A mo, 1, 1, and negative 3. 2, 1, and negative 10. Enter na tayo. 1 equal, negative 3 equal. Okay, tama. 2 equal, 1 equal, negative 10 equal. Okay, so tama na enter natin. Kunin natin yung x and y. So, equal uli. We have x is equal to negative 7. Ulitin natin ang pangat na sulat. Then, yung y natin, equal uli. That is 4. So, ano yung ating formula ng linear? We have here an plus b is equal to a sub n. Palitan mo na ngayon yung values. Meron tayong negative 7, kopihin yung n. Then, meron tayong plus 4 for b. Then, is equal to a sub n. So, this is now our general formula of this sequence in the form of linear equation. Okay, so I hope you enjoy our discussion using the calculator technique. Thanks for watching.